Morning time in St. Augustine. Pretty good night overall. It was hot, really hot. We had the fan going and eventually the fan died because it only lasts so long, but we think we're gonna get a battery pack for the fan, that way it can kind of go all night. It rained last night pretty heavily, but it's fine. Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach, get in the water after we drink some coffee and wake up. So we're leaving St. Augustine. We just left the campground. Spent about 2.5 hours in the water this morning. So it's kind of a nice workout, to be honest, just swimming around and playing around in the water. So that was cool. But now we're heading to Manatee Springs. Good thing is our neighbors. We had some really nice neighbors at this state park here, Anastasia. They gave us some fat wood to help start our fire tonight, which I've heard of like Georgia fat wood before. So it'll be interesting to try. I didn't use a fire starting log last night. I just used paper and glue on it all night, basically. So hopefully not so much work tonight. We'll try the fat wood, but we got about 2.5 hours of driving ahead of us, so we are hitting the highway. Still driving towards Manatee Springs. We're about 74 miles away, or according to Google, about an hour and a half, so like 90 minutes, but it's a nice drive. There's lots of trees and different parks, state parks and other things. Made it to our campground. We made it to Manatee Springs State Park. We haven't really done too much exploring, but here's sort of the swimming area and where the manatees are. We don't know if they're actually here. We haven't gone and checked. We're gonna go get settled, get our spot all set up, unload, all that stuff, and then we're gonna come back over here and then probably go walk around. There's like a little trail that you can walk around, and we're gonna go check that out right here in just a minute. This is what the back of our spot looks like here, Manatee Springs. It's our back view. We don't have a neighbor on this side, not at this point anyway. Fire pit, firewood. It's cash only. And they're pretty strict about you bringing firewood in, so we didn't try. It does have a picnic table, nice little bonus there. Yeah, pretty big spaces, and mostly private as well. So should be a good night. See all the vines going up into the trees. Pretty crazy. water is like right in our camp. It's crazy. It's not afraid of us at all. I'm worried that people maybe feed these even though they shouldn't be. But it's just a mom deer and a baby. Got the deer parade coming through the campground. We finished getting camp set up. Now we're gonna go walking down the boardwalk trail here. Oh, I forgot my water. Still looking for the elusive manatee, still looking for the elusive alligator and crocodile. Haven't knocked either one of those off the list yet, but I'm thinking maybe this is the spot. Alright, we did spot some turtles or tortoises, we're not sure which one at this point, but they're on the complete opposite side of the water than we are. The search continues. Alright. We're out on the water. We're on this like little dock thing. It's hard to see any manatees at this point. If there would be any out here, the water's really dark. The problem is we're actually kind of in the off season here, so there's a good chance that they may not be in this area right now. So we might not end up seeing a manatee. Hopes are still up for the gator or crocodile. Spider here, he's got himself a prime spot for looking at the stars at night between these two poles here. All right, and then there's this little gazebo thing that we're in now, where if you do the end of the, or if you make it to the end of the little walking path here, this is what you get to see. And then you got that dock there. Great views though, all around. I mean, the water's nice and calm right now, just like a mirror. It's making for a really good photography, so I'm taking a lot of pictures. This post here, and it shows you the different flood levels from the different years. So it starts 2019 was actually pretty low. 04 there's 86, 84, 98, 73. You're getting to close to above my head. 1948, the big dog. We made it to the pond here where people actually swim. There's a little part here where the Inga's going down where you can access the water via some stairs. So it's a nice easy way into the water. And the water's supposed to be nice and warm. I'm not getting in because I spent 3 hours in the water today already. It's not warm? She says the ocean is warmer. All right, there you folks have it. So we're better off going to back. No, I'm just kidding. Ended up using one of those fire starter logs. I wanted to save, I have some Georgia fatwood here. Our neighbor yesterday gave that to us to help start fires because he saw me. I was being stubborn and I didn't want to use the fire starter log, and I was getting it going by myself, and I just had to tend to it all night basically. It was pain. We saved the fatwood, so we're going to use this later. I used one of the little 99-cent like fire starter logs and we're good. We're going to get some stuff cooking. Let's see what we got. Some BioLife cheese for our burgers. And we still have 2 packages of these burgers that we bought because they were on clearance for like $1.30, and they were fine. It's not like they were expiring or anything. I don't even know why they were on clearance. But we'll take it.
Can you take a picture of me with him?
Yeah, go stand by him. I'm shooting a video. Little armadillo walking around the campground. Yeah, I mean, they're really nice. They just kind of do their own thing.